In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund your Evernote subscription. Whether you've changed your mind about the service or encountered an issue that prompts a refund, I'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth process. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Evernote account. Make sure you're signed into the account that's associated with the subscription you want to refund. This is important because any requests you submit will apply specifically to that account. If you have multiple Evernote accounts, double-check that you're accessing the correct one to avoid any mix-ups in the refund process. Next, let's move on to accessing the contact form. To do this, navigate to the Evernote Help Center. Typically, you'll find this by heading to Evernote's main website and looking for the Help or Support section. Once you're there, look for the Submit a Request button. You can usually spot this button in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this button will lead you to the contact form where you'll submit your refund request. Now, it's time to select the appropriate options for your request. You'll be presented with a few fields. For the category, make sure you choose Accounts and Subscriptions. This ensures your request is directed to the right department at Evernote. Following that, you'll need to specify the issue type. Here, select I'd like to request a refund. This tells Evernote exactly what your request is about, streamlining the process for both you and the support team. Once you've set your category and issue type, it's time to provide the necessary details. Fill out the form with all the required information. Start with your Evernote account email address, as this allows the support team to correctly identify your account and address your request. Next, you'll need to give details of the subscription charge in question. This might include the date of the charge, the amount, and any other relevant information that could help Evernote identify the transaction. Don't forget to include a brief explanation of why you're requesting the refund. This is your chance to clearly state any issues you encountered or reasons for seeking a refund. Being concise but informative can help the support team understand your situation quickly, which might expedite the process. Finally, after you've filled everything out, it's time to submit your request. Double-check your details to ensure accuracy, then click Submit. Once your request is sent, it will go to Evernote's support team for review. Keep an eye on your email for any responses or updates from them about your request. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to requesting a refund from Evernote. Remember to check your email for any follow-up communications from their support team and be patient as they process your request. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your refund process.